Passive income in 2025 is not a new idea, but something people in the UK have been using for centuries. From landlords in Victorian times collecting rent to modern investors earning from shares, property, and online businesses. And the idea is simple. Set up a stream of money that keeps coming in with little daily effort. As Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. And history shows this is true because since the 1980s, when big UK companies were sold off from public ownership, shareholders have received nearly £200 billion in dividends, proving how strong passive income can be. Today there are 25 popular ways to build it, including buying shares that pay dividends, investing in real estate investment trusts that let you share rental profits without owning property, renting out houses or even spare rooms, leasing farmland or rooftops for solar or wind energy, or using peer-to-peer lending platforms where you loan money and earn interest. And there are also index funds, ETFs, and government bonds, which give regular payments with less effort. While the internet has created many new paths such as running a YouTube channel, writing ebooks, selling online courses, building apps or subscription software, earning money from affiliate marketing, or selling designs on print-on-demand sites, creative people can license photos, music, or videos. And business models like dropshipping vending machines or subscription boxes also create steady income once set up, while others rent out driveways for parking, tools, or even cars for advertising. And inventors or artists can earn royalties from their work, while savings accounts and investment funds, especially in infrastructure and renewable energy, give regular dividends. And with automated e-commerce stores, goods are sold and shipped without much daily work. Research shows that 68% of people in the UK who try side hustles make up to £500 a month, and 36% make under £100, showing that most income streams start small, but they grow with time and reinvestment, which is why Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, meaning money grows faster when you let your earnings build on themselves. Robert Kiyosaki also said, the key to financial freedom and great wealth is a person's ability to turn earned income into passive income. And this is clear in 2025, where millions are paying dividend taxes because so many people are investing, with 3.7 million UK residents expected to be taxed on dividends in 2024-25, and infrastructure funds alone paying nearly 9% on renewable energy projects. But like any money-making path, there are risks, such as taxes, property costs, stock market drops, or the need to put an effort at the beginning to build a business. Yet history shows that UK investors who held on to income-producing assets through wars and recessions still grew their wealth in the long run, proving that passive income is not about quick wins but about owning assets, whether they are houses, stocks, or digital businesses that keep paying over time. In simple terms, passive income is about making sure you don't only rely on one salary. As Buffett also warned, never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source. And in 2025, the tools are easier and more open than ever before. So anyone can start building streams of money that run with little effort, giving more freedom and security for the future.